I think his return is politically very significant. He has been away for a very long time, and because Begum Zia herself was not well, he has been managing the party quite well. I mean, right after the ouster of Sheikh Hasina's government, we saw that Tariq Zia was able to consolidate the political support for the party, and even though he was doing it online and through various new technologies that are available, he was able to keep the party with him. So his coming back at this stage, when there is so much violence in Bangladesh and the country is literally being torn apart between various ideological views, it is expected that he will bring back some semblance of political stability, and maybe he will be able to consolidate the centrist forces which are there in Bangladesh, because the main concern now is the rise of right wing and what the right wing has been up to.
And ma'am, what implications can Tariq Rahman's role have on India-Bangladesh relationship? We have seen recent developments where a Hindu mob was lynched, a person was lynched, and Yunus government has given space to extremism. So how do you look forward when it comes to India-Bangladesh relationship, and his return, what would it mean for India?
See, first thing his return would mean is that, clearly the election process is going to get hastened. A date for election has already been announced. BNP is, every day new names are coming up and all. So country is more or less, at least the BNP is more or less in election mode. Now, the record of BNP, the last time they were in power, when they came to power in 2001, has not been very happy for India. There were lots of things happened which were, the relations were tense. There was insurgency activity near the border. The Chittagong Arms Hall case is very well known. But big difference from then and now is that then there was a coalition government with the Jamaat. The Jamaat had got some 20 plus seats. They had a couple of ministerships also. And so that was a slightly different BNP. So I would like to believe that, now in the changed circumstances, having gone through, the last several years, and especially the last, since August 5, what BNP has gone through and how we've seen things develop between India and Bangladesh,